Away they go, Kaligatan, fast to begin, Jaden Diamond, blowing at alongside Furious Leaguer, moving up is Wondrous Win, Gifted Champ on a further outside, Ever Charming Roadmaster, and Ice Palace is running at the tail of the field, and inside the last 700, it's Jaden Diamond, Kaligatan already outside, Kaligatan, Jaden Diamond, Furiously Eager, and still Kaligatan by a length and a half. Jaden Diamond running in second, Furiously Eager, Wondrous winning between runners by the Roadmaster, blowing at Gifted Champ, Ice Palace, second last, Ever Charming, as they race the final corner, Kaligatan by a length and a half, Jaden Diamond, down already inside, Roadmaster, Gifted Champ, it's now Jaden Diamond, Kaligatan, Gifted Champ is rushing up in between runners, Kaligatan, Jaden Diamond, Gifted Champ, and nearing the finish line, Kaligatan, Gifted Champ, Jaden Diamond, Roadmaster, Furious.